Are you ready to earn $1,000 in affiliate commissions per sale? In this video, we will be discussing a website called refression.com. This website enables you to earn affiliate commissions from hundreds of different e-commerce sites. First, sign up as an affiliate using this page, then go to the marketplace and find products to promote. Create simple product-related videos and upload them on TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube. Put your link in the bio and in the first comment, just like we do. These platforms will send you free customers. Like one of our videos got 253,000 views. Another video got 87,000 views. One video got 24,000 views and another video 153,000 views. I can go on and on. These visitors will follow your link, buy from you, and you will earn an affiliate commission. This system is easy, but because most of the products offered by e-commerce sites are low ticket items, it won't make you a lot of money. This is where our system come into play. By promoting high ticket offers, we are able to make high ticket commissions like $1,000 to $5,000 per sale with 95% work done for you. And to learn more about our system, check the instruction in the bio. And I will go to Epic. Epic is our video creation software that makes videos without cameras and microphones using image and text. Epic has the ability to take any text right here. I just paste the text here, and if I click submit, immediately all these sections will be generated. Each of these sections will be each paragraph of the text. And also links are in the description for all details. I just want to go straight to the money. But before that, here is an awesome part why we don't use microphone when we use Epic and why Epic is completely beginner friendly. Because there is a text to audio section where you can click add and paste any text. That text will turn into natural sounding voiceover in just one click. So we don't need to record ourselves. And because we make our videos in small sections and we can save our work and come back later to finish this work, it's a completely lazy process. So we don't need to stress about shooting long video and a tedious editing process. It's life made easy for complete beginners. So we can make videos. My 6-year-old son can make videos. Any beginner, team member, and Epic users make videos in just clicks, drags, drops, etc. Now all the helps are in this help page, and even there is a document training for quick guidance. Alright, Epic is free, link is in the description, or you can just browse epic.ai. Let's learn how to earn $1,000 to $2,000 in affiliate commissions per sale. But before that, let me show you another kind of money. Go to Upwork and type write, and you will find a lot of writers. They're charging up to $100 per hour, and this one earned $70,000. Another person charges $50 per hour and earned above $100,000. Go there, sign up as a freelancer, then go to AI softwares like Jasper and give it some instruction like write 5 steps to write persuasive blog post and hit enter. The AI will write for you. As you can see, as I speak, the information is here. Now you can go back and forth, chat with the app. AI will give you answer. Put them together as a content, deliver to your client and get paid. Sounds very simple and easy, but it's not, because these clients are not stupid. You must have to deliver high quality content. Make sure it's highest quality and not just AI written in order to get paid that much. And that's why we don't do freelancing. We do affiliate marketing, which is simpler, easier, beginner friendly. And this is how we earn. Our system is 95% done for you. To know more about our system, check the instructions in the bio. And how to earn $1,000 to $5,000 in affiliate commissions per sale every single day. Money is in other people's pocket. If you want it in your pocket, you need to give them something valuable in exchange. For example, if you go to guru.com and you search with the skill writing, you will see tons of people earning $43,000 per year, $38,000 per year, $25,000 per year by offering writing services to their clients. Major part of this work can be done using AI bots. Like I am using Jasper here to ask how many ways people with writing skill can make money. Hit enter and see what the bot says. It's pretty amazing how AI bots can help you these days. So you see freelance writing, copywriting, blogging, selling ebooks, technical writing, ghostwriting, create content for websites and magazines, provide editing services, SEO optimization, so many different ways. But writing is not easy and it's not for everyone. And that's why we do affiliate marketing marketing, and our system is simple, easy, beginner friendly, and 95% done for you. To know more about our system, check the instructions in the bio. And let's talk about how you can earn $1,000 to $5,000 in affiliate commissions per sale. Before that, let me show you another opportunity. Go to this website guru.com and search in this box with writing, and you will find tons of people earning $43,000 per year, $38,000 per year, $25,000 per year by offering writing services for their clients. And nowadays, you can use any AI bot or application to get a lot of writing stuff done. For example, I'm using one application here, Steps for Beginners to Earn Money from Writing Skills as Freelancer. Hit enter and see the AI bot is writing for you, basically giving you answer that you can use as a content. And AI bots are powerful these days, but this writing industry is well saturated and you need real skill to actually deliver high quality to land high paying clients. And that's why we don't do freelancing, we do affiliate marketing instead. It's easy, simple, beginner friendly, and 95% done for you. To learn more about our system, check the instruction in the bio. Let's earn $1,000 to $2,000 in affiliate commissions per sale. But before that, I want to show you another opportunity. Technology is a huge niche. Blogs, news sites of this industry needs high quality content on regular basis. And they hire people from Upwork.com and other freelancer sites, and you can see technical blog writers are earning $50 per hour, total earning $30,000, $20 per hour, total earning $10,000. The good news is these days you don't have to write any content yourself. Just get hired, go to any AI application like we use Jasper, put your command, and immediately you will see the software is writing for you all by itself. Now the software is busy creating the blog post, about 1,000 words blog post about 7 great things of iPhone 14 in Joe Rogan tone. It took a few seconds. But unfortunately, it's not that easy because these clients are not idiots. They will only pay for high quality content. AI generated content may not be adequate. And that's why we don't do freelancing. We do affiliate marketing. It's simple, easy, beginner friendly, and 95% done for you. And we earn $1,000 to $5,000 in affiliate commissions per sale. To know about our system, check the instructions in the bio. Let's earn $1,000 to $5,000 per sale in affiliate marketing. Before that, here is another opportunity. At Upwork.com, technical blog writers are earning $100,000, $30,000, $40,000 by charging starting from $6 per hour to way up to $50 per hour. It's because technology is a huge niche. Thousands of technology news sites and blogs need content on daily basis. For writing a blog content, first you need to get hired and then go to any AI software like Jasper, we love Jasper, and write a command like this. Then hit enter, and in front of you, the application will write blog content without you writing a single word. Just look at this, how easy it is these days. But unfortunately, there are so many freelancers out there. It's very hard to get high paying jobs just using AI. And that is why we don't do freelancing. We do affiliate marketing and earn $1,000 to $2,000 per sale. And to learn more about our system, check the instructions in the bio and in the first comment. Let's learn how to earn $1,000 to $2,000 in affiliate commissions per sale. Whether you like or not, this will make you money. Go to Math Affiliate Programs and sign up for programs that solve mathematical problems. These programs are lucrative to teachers and students. Then go to this website wolframalpha.com and use this AI to solve math problems. Make simple math tricks videos and publish on TikTok, YouTube, Instagram, and Facebook. Put your buy link or affiliate link in your bio, in the description of your video, and in the comment. Your viewers will buy from you and you will earn affiliate commissions. But usually these programs are low ticket programs and they will not make you $1,000 in affiliate commissions per sale. In order to make that kind of money, you need to promote high ticket offers. That's exactly what we do, but we do it in a simpler, easier, and beginner friendly method, which is 95% done for you. And to learn more about our system, check the instructions in the bio. Let's earn $1,000 to $2,000 in affiliate commissions per sale. But let's use mathematics. I hate this subject. What about you? Math tricks or mathematics tricks is a huge topic topic on TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, YouTube. These videos get millions of views. Look at this person, very popular, and most of his popular videos are faceless videos. And he put his buy link right here. So all these viewers click on this link, buy from him, and he makes money. You might be thinking you hate mathematics and you are not proficient in mathematics. Don't worry, go to wolfromalpha.com. You will be able to solve mathematical problems using AI for free. Make your own video, publish on TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, find math-related affiliate programs, sign up, and put your affiliate link in the bio or in the description of YouTube videos and in the comments. Ask your viewers to buy from you, they will click, buy, and you will earn money. But unfortunately, this system will not make you a lot of money because these programs are low-ticket affiliate programs. In order to earn $1,000 to $5,000 in affiliate commissions per sale, you need to promote high-ticket affiliate programs that pay out high-ticket commission. That's what we do in a simpler, easier, beginner-friendly, and a 95% done-for-you system. To know more about our system, check the instruction in the bio. Do you want to make money online like these guys? Make $2 million to $5 million per year. Well, I have a good news for you. I have discovered how they do that. And we are making some money as well, like $1,000 to $5,000 per day in passive affiliate commissions. Only 3 steps. Get high-quality, technology-related content like thesuperboo.com. And step number 2, publish your high-quality content on your site. The content should be related to technology, which is a $5.3 trillion industry. Step number 3, keep publishing 24/7 and keep sharing the content on Pinterest. Make sure to link the blog content with images called pins. This site has a huge traffic of 50,000 visitors per month, and almost all their traffic comes from Pinterest. This system works perfectly because there are endless topics to publish content about technology, and Pinterest traffic is pretty easy to get. But the problem is you need to create high quality content. You need a domain, hosting server, security system, and always maintain the quality. All these can be expensive and time consuming. It takes years to build a blog like this and get traction using blogging, which makes it very difficult for beginners to make money. But don't worry, there is a simpler and easier system that pays $1,000, $2,000 in affiliate commissions, and it's perfect for beginners. Check the instructions in the first comment and in the bio for more information.